To visit with a client in immigration detention, attorneys typically start here, the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement online detainee locator system. Attorneys will enter their client's information here, confirm where they're being held, and from there go through the proper channels to arrange that visit. The only problem, Alligator Alcatraz detainees aren't in this locator, meaning they've effectively vanished from the system.
Sí, porque hay mucha familia. Nosotros, como te digo, tenemos un grupo de familiares.
I first introduced you to this woman 2 weeks ago. Her husband is detained in Alligator Alcatraz, and she asked that I not share her identity for fear of retaliation from immigration officials. Thursday marks 1 month since the Guatemala native has been there, and his wife says his health is declining.
Él mañana va a cumplir un mes que él esté ahí. Y él dice que, bueno, la verdad es que han dado un sándwich que ya no sirve.
Are people getting sick?
Sí, y también dice que el agua no tiene sabor como el agua. Cuando ellos lo tragan, tiene un sabor como, no sé cómo explicarle, que el paladar como que le da picazón.
She says the ordeal has led the couple, which shares 2 children, to come to a decision.
Bueno, mi recomendación a él, yo le dije mejor que firme su deportación voluntaria, porque ya, la verdad, él ya no aguanta estar ahí adentro. Él esté afuera de ese lugar, no importa si aquí mismo o en Guatemala, pero lo importa que esté afuera de ese lugar, porque ese lugar no lo tratan bien.
The woman tells me she tried to hire a lawyer.
Sí, el número no aparece en el sistema y la abogada dijo que ella no puede empezar a trabajar así.
There is a standard DHS detainee locator system that you use the person's alien number and you look them up. They don't appear in that system.
Maribel Pisa is that lawyer. She tells me if she can't verify a client's location,
I can't file anything because no one wants to say, oh, send it to me. I know he's here. And it's like, how am I supposed to advocate? How am I supposed to do my job effectively?
Pisa says she has 4 clients that she knows are in Alligator Alcatraz. So what has your access been like?
Well, 0, nil, nothing, not happening unless my client calls me.
And like in other jails, prisons, and detention facilities, phone calls are recorded.
And I can't even advise my client. He doesn't feel comfortable asking me everything, because we're being listened to.
My attorney has told me that she has worked out the issues and we should have our first set of on-site legal representation no later than Monday.
That's Florida Department of Emergency Management Director Kevin Guthrie, speaking to reporters outside Alligator Alcatraz nearly 2 weeks ago. Since then, Pisa says she's emailed the address provided to detainees and lawyers to set up visits, legal@privacy6.com.
When my client gave it to me, I was like, no, that can't be right. What do you mean privacy6.com?
But says she has not gotten a response.
I don't give up the fight, and I certainly don't give up hope. The Constitution grants persons rights. It doesn't grant citizens rights. I'm sorry. That's how it was written.